Let's learn the notes of the F major five-finger position and expand our ability to play in different positions around the keyboard. The key of F moves the starting note to, you guessed it, F. Let's look at these 5 notes beginning on F. Place your right hand fingers on F, G, A, B flat, and C. And practice taking your hand off and on the position. Now, you might be asking, why the B flat? Well, let's listen to the position without the B flat and see what we think. Now let's listen to the position with the B flat and see if the sound improves. So this position sounds much better when you flat the B. Let's take a minute to get our left hand in position before we find out why that is. Left hand, put 5 on F, and the rest of the fingers on G, A, B flat, and C. And we want both hands to join each other, and they can practice moving away out of the position and coming back to it again, like this. All right, if we look at the key signature for the key of F, we notice that the flat sign sits on line 3, which happens to be the B line. Here in the bass clef, the flat sits on line 2, which is also the B line. This is telling us that all B's must be played flat in the piece, and that means any B is now called B flat. So when we see a key signature with the flat sign at the beginning, we'll know to move our hands to the key of F. And it sounds much better with the B flat. Let's look at warm-up at the bottom of the page. Notice the notes are mainly in steps going up, although there's a skip coming down and back up. And we have steps going down. Remember the rest on beat 4. Again, notice the flat sign at the beginning, which indicates the key of F, in which case all the B's are flatted. The right hand starts like this. 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, rest. And it may repeat as well. The left hand is in the same position and pretty much copies the right hand, going up and down by steps. Here's a skip down and a skip up. These are steps. Notice the same rest. This one starts at the top of the position. 1 on C, it goes down and up by skips here in a broken chord. Down by steps. Here's a skip and a step. Let's listen to it. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. And of course, the hands are required to play together in what we call parallel motion, where the right hand sets the direction and the left hand shadows the right hand, and they both move together in tandem. When they go in the same direction at the same time, using the same intervals, we call this parallel motion. Let's see how this piece warm-up sounds with both hands playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. but softer. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and you're off. Let's remember what a key signature is. A key signature means there are flats or sharps at the beginning of a piece of music. Here you see the flat sign. Because it's on the B line in both staffs, it tells us that all B's are flatted. And we want to look for this signature. It always will indicate the key of F. So for now, simply memorize that one flat in the key signature means that both hands should play in the key of F. In other words, F will be the main tone around which all the others revolve. F is called the tonic, or the main tone in Greek. The music will more than likely come to rest on F at the end of the piece, because F is now the key center, or the tonality of the music, the main tone. Simply means that all the notes will be drawn from the 5-finger position starting on F to say that you're playing in the key of F. Enjoy playing in this new position.